Is a device missing from Device Manager, or did Windows fail to recognize hardware you just connected? Scanning for hardware changes can help refresh the device list. In this guide, I'll show you how to run the scan and what to do if your hardware still doesn't appear. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results to open the Hardware Management window. Once Device Manager is open, look at the toolbar or menu near the top. Select Action and you'll see an option called Scan for Hardware Changes. Click Scan for Hardware Changes. Windows will quickly check your computer for connected or newly detected hardware. The device list may refresh, and Windows can sometimes detect a device that wasn't showing before. After the scan finishes, look through the hardware categories again. If the device appears, expand its category and check its status. You may also see a yellow warning icon if Windows detects a driver problem. If the device appears but doesn't work, right-click it and select Properties. Check the General tab for the device status message. This can tell you whether Windows found a problem with the hardware or its driver. If there's a driver issue, right-click the device and select Update Driver. You can search automatically or install a compatible driver from the manufacturer's official website. If necessary, you can also uninstall the device and restart Windows to trigger a fresh installation. If the hardware still isn't detected, restart your computer and run the scan again. Also check that the device is properly connected and powered on. Sometimes the simplest connection check is all you need, and that's how to scan for hardware changes in Device Manager. It's a quick troubleshooting step when Windows doesn't recognize a device, so try the scan first before moving on to more advanced fixes.